Welcome back to another edition of Sailing with Scott. Today I'm on board Family DevOcean, a 2022 Beneteau Oceanis 40.1 with a beam of almost 14 feet. We've just departed the docks of Balboa Marina and are motoring up the Lido Channel of Newport Beach Harbor in Southern California. We're headed to an anchorage in the Northwest Turning Basin for the Independence Day weekend SailTime Raft-Up. SailTime Newport Beach is just one of the many worldwide franchises that make up SailTime, the largest fractional boat club in the world. This afternoon, Family DevOcean owners and SailTime members Stacie and Alex Lutkus and 6 other extraordinary yachts from the ever-expanding SailTime fleet will tie up and enjoy an afternoon raft-up together.
I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
More than 90 SailTime members getting together to meet one another, because when you're on the boat, you don't see them, and when they're on the boat, they don't see you. You never see each other. So SailTime has these events and raft-ups 3 or 4 times a year. It's a great way to meet people who also love sailing and being on the water. As the afternoon grew on, people who were interested in boats walked around, taking their little own private boat tours, checking out every little luxury of an interior of a boat you've never seen before, while others laid around on trampolines attached to catamarans, and others ended up in the water, having fun, relaxing, and starting new relationships. Just after sunset, and with the navigation lights on, we all head back to our slips.